Come test drive this 2001 Lexus ES300. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All of the premium features expected of a Lexus are offered, including adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a leather steering wheel, automatic dimming door mirrors, power front seats, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, a cassette player, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Lexus ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.